How to change the language in Grand Theft Auto V. So let's get started. Language matches your console's language setting and change it in console system settings in consoles such as PS4, PS5. In Xbox 360, simply hold LB plus RB while starting the game. Then in PlayStation 3, hold L1 plus R1 while booting or clear game data from the PS3 game data utility. Then in PC Steam, go to the ZTAV folder, run ZTAV language select.exe and choose your language. Then in PC Rockstar Games Launcher, simply go to the settings, tap on the general, then tap on the language, then launch the game. Now lastly, in the Epic Games Launcher, go to the settings, language, then launch the game. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.